is a moment every creator knows. You have an idea, a clear one. You can see the scenes in your head, you can feel the tone, you know exactly what the story should do to the person watching it. And then you sit down to actually make it, and the gap between what is in your head and what you can produce with the tools available is enormous. That gap is what OpenArt Director was built to close. OpenArt is a creative AI platform used by millions of creators worldwide for images, video, characters, music, and more. Earlier this year, Notable Capital named them to the inaugural Prosumer AI 40 alongside companies reshaping how people create. Their logo appeared on the NASDAQ Tower in Times Square, and their Director feature is the most ambitious thing they have built, a creative AI partner that lets you make full-length videos simply by describing the story, tone, pacing, and visual direction you have in mind. Let me show you what that actually means in practice, because the concept is worth understanding properly before you see the output. Most AI video tools work at the clip level. You generate a scene, then another scene, then you try to connect them in an editor. Every time you generate something new, there is no memory of what came before: different character proportions, shifted lighting, inconsistent visual style. You end up spending more time fixing inconsistencies than actually building something. The tool is working against your creative vision rather than with it. Director works at the project level. You describe your idea in a conversation: the story arc, the characters, the visual mood, the pacing, the emotional journey you want the viewer to go on. Director develops it with you through that conversation, filling in narrative gaps, strengthening the structure, and building a coherent production direction before a single frame is generated. Then when generation happens, it produces a complete continuous video, not a collection of individual clips you have to stitch together, with consistent characters, consistent visual style, and a narrative that actually holds together from beginning to end. For creators, this changes what is actually possible at an individual level. Concept development that used to take days of back and forth becomes a conversation. Visualizing a story direction before committing resources to it becomes something you can do in minutes. Testing different tones or narrative approaches for the same idea, emotional versus understated, cinematic versus documentary, becomes something you iterate on rather than something you agonize over, because each attempt costs too much time. Let me show you a few specific ways this shows up in real creative work. If you are developing a short film idea, you can describe the concept, the characters, the emotional arc, and the visual world to director through chat. Director pushes back, asks the right questions, suggests narrative connections you might not have considered, and helps you arrive at a production-ready creative direction before any generation begins. Then, the generated video reflects that complete creative thinking rather than just interpreting a single prompt. If you are building, Director generates scenes where the natural part of a story rather than the obvious subject of an advertisement. The difference in how that content performs is significant because viewers experience it differently. If you are a musician wanting visuals that actually reflect the emotional world of your music rather than generic AI-generated imagery, you describe the feeling, the narrative, the visual metaphors, and Director builds something that feels connected to the music rather than just decorative around it. The style range covers everything from realistic to anime to 3D animation to stop motion to documentary. Custom voices for every character. Over 8 languages with phoneme-level lip sync. And the project memory means Director remembers every creative decision across sessions: your characters, your visual choices, your story directions, so returning to a project days later picks up exactly where you left off rather than starting over. What I keep coming back to after spending real time with this is that Director does not feel like operating a tool. It feels like having a creative conversation with someone who actually understands storytelling, responds to your specific vision, and has the capability to produce something real from that conversation. The creative process stays creative throughout rather than becoming technical the moment you try to execute it. The Wonder Plan is the most cost-effective way to access everything Director offers. If you are serious about building a consistent video creation workflow, it is the tier worth looking at, specifically when you land on the pricing page. OpenArt Director is available now at openart.ai/suite/director. Link is in the description. Start with an idea you have been sitting on, something you could see clearly in your head but had no way to produce. Describe it to Director and see what comes back. That first conversation is usually the moment it clicks.